just a little update on our little garden. We can see some zucchini starting to grow in there. We got 2 zucchini plants, and we see some starting to grow. We had about 20 or so garlics coming up there. Of course, those are the small ones. And don't miss out on the horseradish back there. That's a root that comes in every year, and we end up making horseradish for friends and relatives, give it away for Christmas. Why wouldn't we? Yeah, it's just 2 bean plants. There's a couple more tomato plants back there that are being starved by the sun. These are early ladies, early birds, whatever they're called. They're the smaller variety of tomatoes. But it looks like there's going to be about 20, 30, yeah, right. 20 or 30 tomatoes on each plant, which is freaking crazy. And of course the hops. These vines seem to be doing better. As they come up about 10 feet and then go across another 6 feet. They meet in the middle. And they're just starting to bud on both ends there. Of course, they're in pots. They've been there for the 6th year in a row. And we're going to get a good crop again of Cascades. We'll see how it goes. And then we move on to some more tomato plants down here. You can see they're starting to come in nice. Got some tomatoes all over the place. We're going to have so many tomatoes we're going to be making sauce. And the grapes. They're starting to grow at the vineyard here. We're hoping we get a decent crop to make some wine. Or a piment. We made a piment last year. It came in pretty good. So they're still growing nice. Of course, you got to make sure the birds don't get them. These are a good tasting grape when they come in. They're purple. I forget what they're called. The wife knows what they are. They're the seedless variety. Then another cucumber plant here with a couple growing. They're starting to come in. We got to water them. And then all the tomato plants down the end here. How you doing? From the smallest one here all the way up to the biggest uphill. It's kind of crazy. Kind of crazy. And they're growing like crazy. We're going to get about, I counted 20, 30 on each plant. We're going to end up with about 500, 600 tomatoes, which is absolutely crazy. There's some more grapes, as long as the birds don't get them. You got to get the grass cut here eventually. Here's the other hop plant that goes up and across. From the other side, they're just starting to bud. Small hops are starting to come out right there. And then that one. And some cilantro and some, that's not cilantro, I forget what it's called. Flowers, more tomatoes. Peppers, more peppers. Peppers on the other side too. We got peppers and beans. And the last one, this is not doing too good, but we'll get some hops off of there. Then we got Swiss chard growing. And what else? Some more radishes somewhere. So, that's about it. And some spinach. We just started another batch of spinach. It hasn't come up yet, so we're looking forward to that spinach coming up because it's pretty good. It's 82 degrees here on the outskirts of the city of Buffalo today. I'm about ready to get in the pool, have some company, maybe do some swimming. Why wouldn't we? I'm going to show the other garlic. I'll take a walk over here. Some more tomato plants. Some of those beans, I forget what to call, a lot of weeds. Peas, snow peas. And this garlic here. Look at the size of that. They're the size of corn stalks down there. We should get a nice ball on that. And some chives, some great oregano, and carrots. Carrots probably look like they're almost ready to be picked. I'll have to get into it and take a better look at them. They're small finger carrots, they're called. But tons of garlic. Tons of garlic. And some more tomatoes back there. But boy, we got a hot day on hand here. Waiting for my grandson to come over. He does the grass cutting for me. And the weed whacking. He does a good job. My simple unboxing video. I know what's in here. Of course, I just ordered it. A little crazy to even have a video on this one. Some cardboard. I guess we need that. Billing sheet. Yeah, this is from Midwest Supply. Oh, yeah, I really don't like the way they bag their stuff there. Tell you that right off the bat. Just in big bags. You know, I ordered 10-pound bags, and they ship them in 25-pound bags. Not too happy about that. So, yeah. That'll be my, Pilsner, pills. Care pills thing, yeah. I forget why I don't buy a lot from these guys, Midwest. And they're a good company, don't get me wrong. Just when they bag their stuff, I says, 15-pound bags they got them in, right? Let's see, 15, 15, 30. And this one will be a little bit more. 20. 50 pounds. They would not ship a sack of grain for the free shipping. It's the same weight. All this grain is the same weight than just sending me a sack of the 2-roll like I wanted for the free shipping. But no. And the same price, so I just don't like the way they pack it in the big bags like that. I can repack it in some seal meal bags, and I probably will. How you doing? This is what it looks like and sounds like after like 5 of these sons of bitches. These beautiful beers. These are the mystery mangoes we made on. Is the camera crooked? Oh shit! Oh, squirrel! 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 But no, that's what it looks like actually, because it tastes good too. I've had maybe 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The wife is saying 8. And they're 7%ers. If this makes it on the tube, then I'm an idiot. Doesn't matter, I'm an idiot anyway. So, I can't even believe I'm put the tape on recording this son of a bitch. And sitting out here on the umbrella raining like crazy. I got ribs on the grill. I did show that, didn't I? They're still on the grill. Who knows if they're going to fucking be any... Let's take a peek live here. It's not really live TV, but let's take a peek. Oh shit, my arm hurts. Oh fuck. Oh shit. Oh piss. They're on there. They're doing good. Oh shit. Oh, my back. Proust, you sons of bitches.